Okay, Casey has another one for leads ads. Is it better to choose conversion objective rather than Facebook lead ad objective? Good question, Casey. I think they are different things. Okay, now if you choose using conversion, that means that it has to be, the lead form has to be on the website, and you need to set up everything, which is you need to have the conversion set up, as in like the thank you page has to be labeled as either complete registration or lead. So that you have to go through, the pixel side of the settings. So if you have all this done and your lead magnet is, if your form is on the website, then go for it. But if you go for Facebook lead ad objective, then you're using the Facebook in-app form, meaning that you will actually create a very lightweight, fast loading form inside the Facebook ads and Facebook itself using the Facebook Ads Manager creation. So with a form, with a lot of information pre-filled in, like your email, your phone number, your name, and all that, and you can ask some extra questions. So that is a different thing. So depending on what kind of lead generation mechanism that you're looking for, you wanted people to go to the website, or you just want people to just sign up on the lead form and you do whatever contact afterwards, or you do your automation and whatnot. So that's entirely up to you. So essentially, they're different things. Although it sounds the same, they're essentially different things. But then again, Casey, if you need help, right, I would suggest that you can consider going through the 6-day challenge. I have a program which is, I call it a 6-day challenge. You go to my website. There is a 6-day challenge. It's like a Facebook ads program that it's quite comprehensive, that walks you through every single steps that you need to learn about starting Facebook ads. Okay, so yeah, using my 2-step funnel framework, consider that.